Srikanth Bolla, net worth 2024. Who is Srikanth Bolla? Srikanth Bolla is an Indian industrialist and the founder of Bolent Industries. He is the first international blind student in management science at Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Srikanth Bolla biography. Srikanth Bolla was born visually impaired at childbirth in Sitaramapuram, Machilipatnam, a city in Andhra Pradesh, in 1991. His family was mainly dependent on farming. After his matriculation, he pursued science in his 12th but was not permitted to do so. Bolla filed a case, and after a 6-month wait, he was allowed to pursue science at his own risk. Bolla topped his class with a 98% on his 12th board exams. Bolla was denied admission to Coaching Institute for Indian Institute of Technology, where he wanted to study engineering because he is blind. He attended the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, where he was the first international blind student. He was given corporate opportunities in America, but he was looking for some innovative ideas in India. He has been a youth leader since 2005 and went on to become a member of Lead India 2020, the second national youth movement started by former President of India Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Lead India 2020 is helping India reach the goal of becoming a developed nation by 2020 by eradicating poverty, illiteracy and unemployment. Srikanth Bolla career. Bolla co-founded Samanvay Center for Children with Multiple Disabilities in 2011, in which he started a braille printing press, providing educational, vocational, financial and rehabilitation services to students with multiple disabilities for an economically independent and self-sustainable life. In 2012, Bolla started Bolent Industries, which manufactures areca-based products and provides employment to several hundred people with disabilities with funding from Ratan Tata, addressing a combination of issues: employment, economics and environment. Bolent products eco-friendly recycled craft paper from municipal waste or solid paper, packaging product from recycled disposable product from natural leaf and recycled paper and recycled waste plastic into usable product. Srikanth is the director of Surge Impact Foundation, founded in September 2016. The organization aims to enable individuals and institutions in India to achieve the sustainable development goals by Srikanth Bolla net worth 2024. According to our research, Srikanth Bolla net worth is estimated to be 50 crore Indian rupees.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.